Hey guys, welcome back to another Best of Wallstreetbets video. Today we're going to be looking at some of the top losses and gains from the past couple weeks. If you're new to the channel, we make videos covering insane Wallstreetbets traders and other topics related to the hottest stocks right now. Only a small percentage of people who watch the videos are subscribed, so if you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing if you want to see more. To begin, we have the user Moonman42 posting a Robinhood screen recording showing him going from being down over $4,000 to being up over $380,000 with his Fastly puts. When Fastly stock was still soaring, Moonman42 purchased 260 Fastly puts with a break-even price of $99.82, expiring October 16th. Luckily for him, on October 15th, Fastly released a preliminary report, lowering the company's Q3 revenue guidance. The company also withdrew the full-year guidance that they made in their Q2 earnings report. As a result, the stock plummeted from about $123 to $190 in one day. When the market opened on Thursday, October 15th, Moonman42 instantly found himself up over $380,000 on his puts. He recorded his position going from being worth only $260 to being worth over $387,000 live. At the end of his recording, it looks like he went straight for the sell button. Moonman42's play was so good that users on Wallstreetbets promised not to tell the SEC. Moonman42 decided to make this play because he says the harder they soar, the fastly they fall. He says that patterns tend to repeat themselves. Congrats on the insane Fastly gains, Moonman42. Next up, we have the user Canned Oxygen, posting a Robinhood screen recording showing his account going from about $8K to nearly $21K, then quickly down to $104, all in just 3 months' time. Canned Oxygen says he made his gains with Apple, Peloton, and Tesla calls. Then he started YOLOing on Vail and his account tanked. He said it was a rookie mistake because he decided to YOLO on Vail based on a Wallstreetbets post and said he had never even heard of Vail before that post. Users on Wallstreetbets provided some advice and suggested that he should have sold around $20K. Canned Oxygen made $20 today, so maybe this will be the start to a great comeback. Best of luck with your comeback, Canned Oxygen. Next up, we have the user Socialist Baby posting a Robinhood screenshot showing that he's up $256,525 on his Roku calls. Socialist Baby purchased 43 Roku $150 call contracts, expiring January 21, 2022. Luckily for him, Roku stock has recently rocketed up past $220. As a result, Socialist Baby's position went from being worth $225,000 to over $481,000. Socialist Baby has been bullish on Roku for many months, and back in June we covered one of his trades, where he lost over $62,000 on Roku calls. After this loss, he said he doesn't like to learn from his mistakes, and that he would continue buying Roku calls. This is exactly what he did, and he's been buying calls since the stock was at $110. He bought these particular calls on August 24th, right before the stock began a nice run-up. Socialist Baby believes the stock could run up to over $300 soon. His calls don't expire until 2022, so it looks like he plans to hold his position. Congrats on your Roku gains, Socialist Baby. Next up, we have the user SJackFrost posting a Robinhood screenshot showing that he's down $22,638, negative 93.17% all time. SJackFrost's account continued to fall as he realized that calls weren't actually free money. Users on Wallstreetbets suggested that he should maybe try buying calls that are further than a week out and closer to 20% out of the money. Users agreed that this is the worst kind of loss, when your account just slow bleeds out. SJackFrost still has over $1,600, so hopefully he'll be able to turn things around. Best of luck with your comeback, SJackFrost. Next up, we have the user Defiled12 posting a Robinhood screen recording, showing that he made gains of over $31,000 in about a month. Defiled12 said that TD Ameritrade kicked him off for a pattern day trading violation. so he decided to try options on Robinhood. He made these impressive gains with Twilio and Disney calls, with October expirations. He thinks Twilio will go to over $400, but he decided to sell his calls to pay off his student loans, so he wouldn't have to pay the $500 per month bill for the next 5 years. Of his over $31,000 gains, he said $25,000 came from Twilio calls in just 1 week alone. Defiled12 is a developer, so he has used Twilio before and thinks they are the best at what they do. He said that he exited at the perfect time and would have lost about $25,000 if he didn't. Congrats on the Robinhood gains, Defiled12. Next up, we have the user kianisboy, posting a Robinhood screenshot showing that he lost $10,649, negative 97% in less than a year. After losing almost his entire account, kianisboy's advice for users on Wallstreetbets was to learn how to trade options first before trading. Despite his loss, kianisboy still feels lucky that he's young and has different investments. He's only 19 and isn't entirely broke. Although he didn't post his positions, users on Wallstreetbets were curious so they could inverse them. He still has $259 left, so maybe he'll be able to put that money to work and make a comeback. Best of luck with your comeback, kianisboy. Next up, we have the user teslaistoolowimo, posting a screenshot showing that he's up $45,797 on his Amazon calls. teslaistoolowimo purchased 3 Amazon $3,500 call contracts, expiring March 19, 2021. Luckily for him, Amazon stock popped up to over $3,400 on Monday, October 12, when he took his screenshot. He says that he only plays leaps in tech stocks to consistently make money. He usually buys his calls 10% to 30% above market price and only plays stocks such as Tesla, Amazon, and Salesforce. He says he started with a $50K portfolio back in February, and now his portfolio is close to $500,000. After his impressive gains, he plans to get his driveway paved and chimney maintenance to treat himself. Congrats on your Amazon gains, teslaistoolowimo. Last up, we have the user sixsins, posting a Robinhood screenshot showing that he's up $15,240, 244%, on his Cloudflare Inc. calls. Sixsins purchased 27 Cloudflare $50 call contracts expiring November 20th. Luckily for him, Cloudflare stock popped up on Monday, October 12th, after the company announced Cloudflare One, a network-as-a-service solution for cloud-based security, performance, and control through a single user interface. After his over 15K gains, sixsins had to come back to post on Wallstreetbets to flex on the guy that said he didn't know what he was doing. Despite these impressive gains, users on Wallstreetbets agree that knowing what you're doing and making money are not correlated. Congrats on your Cloudflare gains, sixsins. Thanks for watching this Wallstreetbets recap video. Leave a comment of what you're trading this week, and remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Be sure to check out our Wallstreetbets playlist for more videos like this. Best of luck getting those sweet, sweet tendies.